Hey guys, Aaron here, back in the garage today, doing a little project on my wife's BMW X4. It's a 2017 M40i model, and today I'm gonna show you how to replace the air filter. So first step is to purchase one. I got mine on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Once you have it and you're ready to go, just open the hood. So after pulling the hood release on the inside of the car, you just feel right under here. And there's a little plastic lever that you just slide over to the right, and that is the release. And lift it up. Her air filter is located right under the big BMW logo here, and there are several Torx screws all around it that we're going to loosen. They are all T25s. So I'm just going to take my T25 and start loosening them. Now the good thing with these is you don't have to worry about dropping them down into the engine bay like on my car, because they actually do not come out, they just loosen. Go ahead and loosen all of them. So there was 3 on each side. You'll notice that there's a clamp on the back, but you do not have to remove that. Once these are loosened, you just give it a little tug, and this will lift right up, enough for you to get to the filter. And you just, it's probably stuck to the plastic a little bit, just pull it off and slide it right out. So this is her dirty filter. And this is the new filter by MAN that we are using. So you'll see that there are 2 different types of filters that you can get for this car. I got this one that has this extra filter on it, and they say that this is the cold weather package. I obviously don't need that one, but it is becoming winter time here in North Carolina, and it's cold today, so it feels right to have it. So when I look inside here where our air filter came out of, there is lots of dirt. So the first thing I always do when replacing filters is vacuum that out. Somebody said this extra piece here prevents water and snow from getting into the engine in cold climates. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but here's where your air is coming into the air box. It goes through your filter and then comes out here to go into your engine. So the way this is installed on this car is you flip it over with this extra protection, doing some extra filtering on the air that is coming into the engine. So you're just gonna slide it in. Reach all the way back, make sure it's all the way pressed flat. And there you go, you change the filter. Now you simply push this back down and tighten all the screws. So you should not be able to see any of the filter. As you can see, you just press it tight all the way down. It should be a nice, firm, snug fit. And tighten all 6 screws and you're done. Aren't you glad that you did not pay BMW? I don't know what they would charge, over $100 probably, to install a new one of these. And you got to learn a little bit about your car. You got to clean out your engine bay. See, it's much prettier now after just a little bit of vacuuming. So once you have all of this tightened, you're done. All right, so I hope you found that helpful. I have several other DIY videos of common maintenance items that you can do yourself on this car. So please subscribe to the channel, check it out, like this video if it was helpful to you, and there is a lot more content coming.